Are you looking for the best Amazon products? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best Amazon products. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the Yfuif Damp Duster Sponge 2-pack. Baseboards are one of the first places dust builds up, and most people forget about them. I tackle mine with this grooved sponge, says D'Angelico. Its U-shaped design fits snugly along trim and molding, lifting hair and grime in a single swipe instead of spreading it around. He explains that it works when dry for quick touch-ups or when damp for a deeper clean. It performs just as well on vents, blinds, and stair railings, making those overlooked spots far easier to clean thoroughly. Up next in the 6th place is the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Extendable Duster. My husband also swears by this extendable microfiber duster from OXO, noting that he uses something similar at work and prefers a washable head so you don't have to buy refills. The handle extends to reach ceiling fans, vents, and high shelves without needing to grab a step stool, and the microfiber head traps particles instead of pushing them around. He especially likes that the head pivots and locks into different angles, making it easier to clean around corners, molding, and other hard-to-reach spots. Coming in at number 5 is the PetOde 2-piece dryer vent cleaner kit. Lint buildup is easy to ignore when doing laundry, but according to D'Angelico, it's one of the most important areas to stay on top of. He uses a dryer vent vacuum attachment like this one to reach deep into the vent and pull out what you can't see, instead of letting it sit and restrict airflow. He tells me it's great for shared laundry spaces, where consistent cleanouts support better dryer performance and reduce the risk of overheating or fire hazards. At number 4 we have the Shark PowerDetect Cordless Vacuum. D'Angelico uses the Shark PowerDetect Cordless Vacuum for everything from quick pickups to deep cleaning the carpets. It glides easily across hard floors and really digs into carpet, he explains, noting that it pulls up any embedded pet hair from the fibers. He adds that the suction feels stronger than some of the professional-grade models he has worked with, picking up dust and debris in a single sweep. The 3rd product on our list is the Swiffer Sweeper and Mop Deluxe Kit. From daily upkeep to heavier-duty floor cleanings, the Swiffer earns a regular spot in D'Angelico's routine. You can reach underneath the couch, stove, and refrigerator and grab the tiny dirt a broom just pushes around, he explains. The slim design barely takes up storage space, and its lightweight handle lets you clean without constantly bending down. It handles small messes and big cleanups alike, so you can skip hauling out a mop and bucket. Second on our list is the Shark StainStriker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. When vacuuming and spot treating don't cut it, my husband relies on this upholstery and carpet cleaner. It really gets down into the fibers, he says, which makes a noticeable difference for pet owners and in high-traffic areas where dirt and stains build up. He uses it on carpets and the couch, calling it a far more affordable alternative to hiring a cleaner or renting equipment. It even revived our 7-year-old sectional, restoring much of its original color and vibrancy. Finally, the top product on our list is the Tuyu electric spin scrubber. He also recommends an electric spin scrubber for anyone tired of tackling the tub and shower by hand. He says, "This tool takes the elbow grease out of cleaning, and my grout looks new again." The rotating head cuts through soap scum, hard water stains, and buildup on bathtubs, showers, tile, and floors, reaching into corners and tight spots around handles and fixtures. He adds that it helps those with back pain or limited reach get a deeper clean without bending or straining. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.